Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to mount FlexiCompact in your control cabinet. Just take the CPU out of the box, press it to the DIN rail, done. For adding expansion modules, you only have to ensure that the module fits to the guidance rail so that the connection of the backplane bus is guaranteed. So you can easily build up your FlexiCompact station. If you want to remove or exchange a module afterwards, for example the gateway by another one, you only have to press this lever so the module is released, and you can easily remove it from the front and easily replace it by another one.